everyone, welcome to my channel Capsa. Today's topic is about toxoid vaccine, subunit or component vaccine. What are polysaccharide vaccine? What are conjugate vaccines? So coming to the first, toxoid vaccines are made up of denatured bacterial toxins without potential to cause disease. Which kind of bacterial toxins? That are mainly exotoxins. Examples are DTaP, means diphtheria, tetanus and acellular pertussis. This kind of toxoid vaccines actually considered as the safe and effective vaccine against bacterial infections like tetanus, diphtheria, which stimulates immune system to make antibodies that are known as antitoxins. Okay. Now, what is subunit or component vaccine? So, subunit or component vaccine do not comprise of whole live pathogens. Only small part like sugar, protein, these are used as a component to make the subunit or component vaccines. Examples are HPV or Hepatitis B vaccine, human papilloma virus vaccine. Types are 6, 11, 16 and 18. And Haemophilus influenza virus B type of vaccine. Now, which kind of or what are the categories of subunit or component vaccine? These can be polysaccharide vaccine, conjugate vaccine, recombinant vaccine, protein-based vaccine, etc. Now, what are the two ways to make this kind of subunit or component vaccine? It can be made directly from the original pathogen, or it can be made recombinantly. These are the two ways by which subunit or component vaccine can be made. Okay. Now coming to the next, what are polysaccharide vaccines? So polysaccharide vaccines actually comprised of capsular polysaccharide cells and only capable of producing IgM and little amount of memory B cells. It means it shows the humoral type of responses. Why they are capable of producing only IgM, not the T cells, IgM and B cells, not the T cells? Because polysaccharide have the inability or do not able to activate the T cells, because protein is required to activate the T helper kind of cells. Okay. Now, what are the examples? Pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine, PPSV23 Typhoid vaccine, which is kind of VI polysaccharide. And another good example of pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccines are, brand name is, common brand name, that is Pneumovax 23. This is the popular common brand name of pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine. Now, what are the conjugate vaccines? So, conjugate vaccines actually comprised of capsular polysaccharide which is conjugated to a protein or a toxoid. It means antigen or protein is linked to the polysaccharide, which is found or which is made from the outer coat of the microbes to stimulate the immune response to make the antibodies. And this kind of vaccine actually good for the herd immunity. Herd immunity means when there is need of to immunize the large community of people, that is herd immunity. Examples are, important example, that is Haemophilus influenzae type B type of vaccine. Okay, and this type of vaccine is suitable for mainly children's, and they actually mediate the response, cellular response because conjugate vaccine can activate T helper cells. Now we will see what is the basic difference between exotoxin and endotoxin. Suppose this is the cell, okay, bacterial cell. Exotoxins mainly secreted from the cells without lysis, okay, normally secreted from the cells, and these are polypeptide in nature, okay, and this polypeptide when activates or stimulate antibodies, these antibodies are known as antitoxins, okay, and they mainly found in the both gram positive and gram negative kind of bacteria. But endotoxins are the part of or component of outer coat of the bacteria, which is secreted when the cell lysed or after lysis of the cell, only they are secreted. These are lipid A molecules which are found in the lipopolysaccharide of the outer coat of the bacteria and mainly found in gram negative kind of bacteria. So these are exotoxins and these are endotoxin. This is end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.